It'll be Reynolds followed by Johnny Vickers out of Delaware. Reynolds on the front side. Vickers is there. This is 16 and over open, Moto 119. Reynolds, Vickers, and the 51 of Mike Itzkovich. Moto 120, 120. 16 and over open out of turn number 1. 16 something. I'll look again. Out of turn 2, it was an 80 with a 74. We'll have the idea for you now because they go quick. Matt Sherman and Jeff Jakubowski. Jakubowski takes it over now. Sherman back on the backside of everything because he bails out. Tough break. Moto 121. Moto 121. Open turn number 1. 3 guys trying to get there, but only one will. And it'll be the 28. It'll be Reynolds there. By the 6-0 of Johnny Vickers. Reynolds gets himself in all kinds of trouble. Vickers and Itzkovich go by. Reynolds leads in the trail. Moto number 120.
Hi, Ma. Bye, Grandma. Hold on, we gotta zoom in on that picture again. Go back. That's me.
That's me.
No, it's not.
No, it's not him.
He's
That's
joking.
me.
That's me.
He took the ugly picture.
Which one you want me to get?
This one right here.
That one there?
They're mine.
Yeah, I gave it to him.
They're his pictures because it was in his camera when he took the pictures. Okay, and he bought the film. But it's me on the picture.
Camera?
That's
Are
me.
these ones I saw at my house?
No, you didn't see these.
Other ones. Look at these.
Am I shaking it too much?
I'll wait
Nah.
for the camera.
No, isn't that cool?
We can make it
I'm
motion picture
trying to
like.
get them both close up.
There we go. That one's good.
That one's alright.
I'm still about 7 feet high, sideways,
Something like that. Trick photography. I'm great at trick photography.
with the orange hair. Yeah, really, I'm standing on the ground.
Yeah.
See, the car was up here, and we tried to make it. You know.
It's a matchbox.
This
really.
one looks good over here with the face.
I hope
A
this
face only a mother can love. That's for sure.
I love it. I'm not. Well, I guess I'm the mother, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's okay. You want to see more?
It's up to you.
Yeah.
What hams, I
We can
swear.
get Dennis
You don't
showing
wanna
off a
look at
little bit here.
The next.
You let me know when.
Trophies. Oh, my trophies. No.
There she is, Hollywood.
Wow.
Go ahead, profile.
Yeah.
You got you. Wait till your sister see this.
In my pajamas.
What you got? What else you
What else
want?
we got? I don't, there's
You
not
got
too
another
many more good ones. You can't really see these. You can't really see these.
And
There's
that's,
the cover
and,
of the.
and that's ugly up here.
What's it called? Did you guys get the steak?
Oh,
dinner?
that's
Oh, we
ugly.
got a close one of that one.
No, that's Princess up there.
Oh, that's Princess?
Look at that smile. Here it comes. There it is.
You
Look.
see it? Where?
Here. It's
Where? I don't
right
see it.
there.
Where?
It is.
Hey, we got it. You got one out of us. Oh, and this
Okay,
is close
hold it.
up.
Look at that. There it is again. Here it comes.
Oh, that's a, now that's what you call a mug.
His face is just too funny to look at.
Oh,
You can't
I'm
help
sorry.
but laughing.
What else?
Hey, who's got a box we can play my John Bobby team?
No, yeah, right?
John Bond,
we can make a video for it
I'm
here.
a radio Walkman.
Huh?
I'm a radio Walkman.
No, you don't want to listen. It's boring.
That's the tape you wanted me to listen to yesterday.
You want to listen to it? No, you don't want to listen to it.
Oh my god.
Dennis, where are
I got to.
Oh, they're all over the place.
Go ahead.
Some are in
Look,
the Grand.
good. You woke up with
State
friends.
races. This is
Look
by
at that.
Kingston.
You woke up
That's
with
by
friends.
Kingston. I jump around Kingston.
Is this another one of your... And who took these?
Dad took them. I took some with him. Ed, did you bring the pictures when we were jumping? Who's it?
3 of the 4 recommended personal managers
have a unique face.
What motor's on the gate? One? What?
actors.
Say hi.
He's so mean.
Hi, John.
Guys to the 74, Jeff Jakubowski, who was out in front all day yesterday, and he's trying to get back out there again. Iskovich, Jakubowski, sit out a couple times real quick. Iskovich on the top side, Jakubowski on the outside trying to get him. Iskovich, Jakubowski, take it on in, and I don't know who took the third, I think it was Brian Hunt. 460 and over opens coming your way about a 121. Looking at the 61 or the 01 of Eddie Ferry. Oh, the 09 takes it away, and it's going to be Steve Canning. Oh, Boss Racing. Robinson Rider, Skyway is a big time ahead plan. The 09, Steve Canning brings it on down. That's your leader, the 14 and the 56. Hold on to second and third. Steve Holloway. Steve Hollowell and the 56 of Keith Barr. Quarterfinals coming for the 16 and over opens in Moto 122. Ruben Cam on the top side. Tony Zanaka trying to pick him off. Zanaka trying to set up. Ruben Cam on the high side. Here comes Zanaka. Isn't going to do it, I don't believe. Ruben Cam, Zanaka, 26, Bill Thompson. They're going to finish single file. 18, 20-year-old cruisers, more of these guys about a 178. Looks like Joe Doherty, number 40 on the top side, and it is. It's Doherty with a 26.97 of Jared Strand. Strand running in for 2, and Eddie Ferry back on the back door.
I see him
As they're bringing him down the round.
in line
It's the
down
40
there.
of Chairman Joe Doherty. Doherty and the 27 Jared Strand in the number 2 spot.
They were seen right on the berm.
And I believe Eddie Ferry.
Right up on the berm.
Kid, no thanks.
Iskovich by Undoes. White line rider coming up in second right now is Jeff Jakubowski. Jakubowski in for 2, and it looks like Dorian Alston back on the back door. As they're coming around and down the still. Here's Iskovich, but look at the 74 on the move of Jakubowski. Jakubowski trying to keep doing. Iskovich with a win. Moto 121, 416 and over opens. Could be Eddie Ferry. Maybe, maybe not. It's the jump in for. We're going to go with Steve Hollowell. Hollowell holds a novice national plate, I believe. That's a 23G running into a Jeff Gilligan. Gilligan back in the second spot. Hollowell on the top side. Bringing it on down around. Hollowell gets out of shape. Gilligan gets out of shape. The 01 of Eddie Ferry trying to pick them off. The 2 of them going to go side by side to the wire. Hollowell with a win. But look at our good time guy. That's got to be the backup trying to get there in the third. And that's where he'll end up settling. The 4th will go to Keith. Well, we just lost 2 riders. Turn number 1 in Moto number 178. The 20-year-old place ride, but I think the winner is going to be Dorian Alston. Seemed like no one wanted to win that one. More than 16 and over opens at Moto 121.
Come on, Jeff, stay with it.
73, moving in and grooving. We're going to go with Jeff Gilligan. Gilligan on the top side. Whoop, it was. Gilligan goes down, takes everybody along with him. Steve Hollowell now out in front. Steve has a win today, I believe. But it's Hollowell for, looks like Blake line. Hollowell out in front. It's going to be the 09 and the 84. One does a face plant. And it's going to be the 09 of Steve Koenig and Monty Oxley.
Yeah.
All right, Jeff.
Zanaka, Good Times Racing. So it's Thompson for Velocity. Zanaka, Good Times. Missed that third number. Going down around, it might be Jim Panther. Moto 178, 18 to 20-year-old cruisers.
Do it, Robbie, do it, do it.
97 on the top side right now. Ferry in there, want to see colors. Ferry bringing it on down for Skyway. 73 sitting in for 2, Bob Michelin. Michelin, I believe that is. It's Ferry out in front. Michelin running in the second spot. Third's going to go the number 26, Jared Strand. Strand beating the bushes with Michelin to win this side. And it's going to be Strand in for 2. His front is really bad. He's got a good group of guys to console with full velocity. Look at the Moto 305, 18 to 20-year-old cruiser. Look at Joe Doherty out on the outside. Doherty's trying to hold off the gang, drops back a couple notches. Looks like a Derek Fink, no, 97 out there. And he's Ferry, here comes Doherty back at you. Doherty and Ferry, 1 and 2. In the third turn right now, Doherty on the top side. Ferry pushing in 2. 26 moving in the groove.